136,240 persons in our workforce are employed by a micro, small, or medium enterprise. $2 billion is in the budget for DBJ to allow them to continue to facilitate sustainable growth of startups and MSMEs, and to continue support women-led initiatives, entrepreneurship training, including digital skills bootcamp. We're also raising the GCT exemption for small businesses from $10 million to $15 million. They are also feeling the burden of high interest rates and have said to me that opening a bank account for their business is difficult. They feel there's no difference between the requirements for them as MSMEs as opposed to a very large institution. And so my commitment to them is to get together with the Minister Hill, to let us sit down with the banks and see how we can agree to reduce the burden of opening a bank account for MSMEs. This government remains faithful to the stock market development and is pleased to announce its acceptance of the Jamaica Stock Exchange's proposal to establish a JSE micro market. I will move with haste to name the Technical Working Committee that will include the Companies Office of Jamaica, the Legal Fraternity, the Security Dealers Association, a member of the PSOJ, and of course, representatives from the JSC and Ministry of Finance and the Public Service. We fully expect that a fully functioning micro market will put structure to more businesses in Jamaica for sustainability and growth and access to equity capital. We will begin these meetings of the Technical Working Committee as soon as we start the new fiscal year. As we accelerate the pace of economic growth in Jamaica, accelerated capital allowance is one strategy that this government will use to move growth to a higher level. We are making a special provision for accelerated capital allowance on industrial and non-industrial commercial buildings, plant and machinery, which includes automatic data processing equipment. And this will be over a 2-year period.